Hallo und willkommen zurück to Get Germanized, the ultimate guide to learning German. This is lesson number 1, the basics, the German pronunciation, the alphabet, and everything in between.
All on board. What should I do?
Ich weiß.
Get Germanized.
Make sure to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you never miss another video, and check out my video description for all kinds of social media like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok and the like. With all that, you cannot fail on this journey to learn German. Let's get started right away. Lasst uns anfangen. Learning a new language can be daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Before we get started with grammar and vocabulary, let's first learn the basics. The German alphabet consists of 26 letters, just like in English, but there are a few letters that are different, and some letters that have 2 dots above them, which are called umlauts or umlaute. These umlauts change the sound of the vowel. For example, the letter A with an umlaut is pronounced like E in pet, a. Here's a list of the German alphabet including the pronunciation of each letter. After I pronounce it for you as an example, I'm gonna leave a little gap for you to work with me. So let's try this. A. 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 B. 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 C. 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 D. 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 E. 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 Make sure to have a look at my mouth and lips and how I move them while pronouncing each letter separately. F. 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 G. 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 H. 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 Not the Joker. E. 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 J. 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 K. 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 Like the snake in the Jungle Book. L. 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 If you're struggling, just rewind the video and repeat this lesson. Also, you can slow down the video in the settings to make it easier for you to understand. M. 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 N. 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 Can you see the difference here? M, closed lips, M, pressed together, M, and N. N, open mouth, N, and the tip of the tongue is pressed against the roof of my mouth. N, N, but only at the end of the sound, not the whole time. It moves there from kind of like hanging loosely in the middle to the roof of the mouth. N, O, 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 P, 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 Q, 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 R, R, R. I know this is difficult, this R sound. I have made videos, many videos about this topic in the past. Let us see together what my mouth does while pronouncing R. R, 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 R. My jaw is kind of moving with it as well, like R. R, R. It's not like stuck in one place, it's moving around. R, R, R. And that sound that you're hearing right now R, R, is produced at the back of at the throat. And this sound that you're hearing right now, R, R, is produced at almost the back of the tongue R, and the throat. You can feel it here in the back of the throat. R. My beard might be in the way. R, here. R. Just above the Adam's apple, basically. R. Practice that. S. 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 T. 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 U. 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 V, like wow. V. 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 Like the first sound is V. 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 Charge and release. V. Like a laser gun or something. V. X. X. Ick. Like icky. Ick. X. 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 Similar to X, but ick. X. Ypsilon. Upsilon. 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 Plosive. Lon. Upsilon. Upsilon. Fett. Fett. Like bad. Fett. Like a snake. Fett. Now for the umlauts. Ä. 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 It's almost like sticking out your tongue. Ä. Not really, actually. Ä. Ä. It's within the lower lip here. It's like snug in there. Ä. 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 Ü. 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 Like in shoosh. Ü. Ü. Ö. 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 Now that you know the letters, let's talk about pronunciation. German is a phonetic language, which means that the way a word is spelled is usually the way it's pronounced. However, there are some exceptions and rules, of course, it's German, that we will cover later. One of the biggest challenges in German, well, is the CH sound, the ch. In English we pronounce CH as CH in chocolate, but in German there are two different sounds. The first is a hard sound like Scottish loch, and the second is a soft sound like in sheep. To help you get the pronunciation right, let's practice saying some basic German words. Hallo. 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 Are you still working with me? Are you saying it back to me? I hope you do. This is important. Hallo. Thank you. The next one is thank you, actually. Danke. 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 Thank you. Ja. 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 Yes. Nein. 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 No. Nein. Tongue at the roof of the mouth, like a no. Nein. 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 By the way, if you want me to correct your pronunciation, become a patron on patreon.com/getgermanized or a channel member here on YouTube. You can then send me the pronunciation video of yours and I'm gonna correct it for you. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Morgen. You can't really hear the R in Morgen here if you pronounce it correctly. You can pronounce it like Morgen, like Rammstein, but we don't have to. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Good morning. Now you. Perfect. Auf Wiedersehen. 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 Goodbye. Not yet. You stay here. There's no escape. Make sure to take your time with this pronunciation. And don't worry if you don't get it right the first time. Practice makes perfect, as they say, as I say. And so, like I said before, rewind the video, watch it again. You don't have to rewind in the digital age. I'm just old. And make sure to become a patron for more practice on patreon.com/getgermanized, and of course on YouTube as a channel member. There the script, the notes for these videos are available as well. So you don't only help the channel when you become a supporter, but you help yourself. Again, make sure to subscribe, attack the bell like you're a boxer. And apart from that, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to get Germanized. Goodbye and auf Wiedersehen.